Guys, I just wanted to show you some updates to the Final Site page. I know some of you were waiting for a study guide packet. Well, I've got one up for you. If you go right ahead to the top of the page, click under Resources, you're going to notice that I've added right here a study guides folder. Go ahead and click on that, and you can open up this midterm exam study guide. So at the beginning of the study guide is really simply some tips on how to help you prepare for the exam. There is also a section here on romanticism. This is the poetry unit that we covered before our Hurricane Sandy vacation, if you will. And you'll also find a very similar study guide to the study guide you received for the Arthur Miller Nathaniel Hawthorne unit that covered The Crucible, Young Goodman Brown, and The Minister's Black Veil. Finally, on the last page here, you'll find the exam format, so you'll have an idea of what the exam will look like and how to prepare. Another thing I really would like to emphasize for you guys are some of the older resources that you have here. If you click on the Crucible folder, you'll notice that there are some other resources that we've used in the past. For example, the Young Goodman Brown analysis. There are some notes on conflicts from the Crucible. There's also a study guide, which is essentially a repetition of the Crucible, Young Goodman Brown, and Minister's Black Veil section of the midterm exam review. And there's also a nice article, Arthur Miller's The Crucible, Fact or Fiction. In this article, Arthur Miller explains why exactly he chose to write the Crucible, and some interesting facts about it. It might help you prepare. Don't forget to click on Poetry unit, and you can open up this document called What You Should Already Know About Poetry, but Probably Forgot. This is really helpful because it gives you the steps to analyzing a poem that you'll need for the Romanticism unit. There are also some really great figures of speech, literary devices here as well that may help you in your analysis and understanding of poetry. So go ahead and take a look at that on your own. If you have any questions for me, guys, please don't hesitate to ask.